Iba-ibang kulay lang, pero yan yung... Meron tayo yung in 220 kilometers. Meron 600.
May pink.
Meron po. Ito, pink and white. Bawal yan. Best chocolate.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
how much this is?
500,088.
Electric or
Electric.
electric?
Yes, sir.
How long distance can use?
170 kilometers.
170 kilometers. Okay, okay. Thank you. What name, brand?
The best tune pony, sir. Best tune.
This one. Okay. Where can buy? Have office in Angeles or Mabalacat?
Angeles, sir. We have
In
here.
Angeles, where? Where in Angeles have office?
Here in QSG Motors, sir. We have also the showroom here in San Fernando, that Telabastagan, the Ceres showroom. Also
Okay.
have this.
But what about service center? Have
Service
service
center we have also here in
spare
our
spare parts
spare
also
parts are available also.
available? Okay, okay. This is good. Different colors have also.
We have the pink, we have this matcha green, and then we have the bubble blue, and then we have the pearl white and gold.
Oh, that's good. I think this car is popular for Philippines.
Yeah, we will miss because no, it's rare color and then new look for the EV cars.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, thank you. Georgi, it's car for you.
No,
Don't want.
dangerous. You see, small.
But if you use motorbike, more small. Georgi, you can buy this car, not need to rent apartment. Don't want. Okay. You can sleep in the car. A joke, of course.